Hi, I'm Jeremy Salmon, author, illustrator, homeschooling father of 6 and founder of Baobab Learning CIC. Our organisation was created to help, teach, inspire and mentor disadvantaged children from all backgrounds, so they have all the skills that will help them mentally and financially into adulthood. The aim is to help them build their own self-esteem, work with one another, build businesses or find employment to help rebuild their communities. The impact of this work will greatly transform the lives of the children and young people and the lives of the residents of the communities. We teach children and young people group economics, entrepreneurism, financial literacy, leadership, team building and other subjects and skill sets to prepare them for a productive future. We make it our priority to work with children and young people that are at high risk of becoming involved in violence due to our location in the disadvantaged area of West Midlands. It is acknowledged by the local police that those involved in antisocial behaviour and violence often lack stability and structure in their lives. Our intention is to produce young leaders and entrepreneurs that will be equipped to be the change in their lives and that of their family and community. Our motto is to work together, start businesses and rebuild communities. I'm Jeremy Salmon from Baobab Learning, and thanks for listening.